Canva is an online graphic designing software where you can design basically anything from photograph to landing pages to Word documents to videos and to websites. And you can access this from your desktop, from your mobile, whether it is an iOS or Android or iPad. And in case you're wondering that whether the Canva has an affiliate program or not, and what commission structure they offer, what is the payment method, and how you can join this affiliate program. So this short tutorial is created to answer all these questions. So joining the Canva affiliate program actually takes place in 3 steps. The first step is to register as an affiliate. Joining the affiliate program is totally free. There are no fees and there are no minimal sales, no such restrictions. You can then promote the Canva Pro, which I am going to explain that how much is the cost and how much is the commission. And the good part is that you can promote the Canva affiliate across the world. No regional restrictions are there. And when somebody buys the Canva Pro program through your link, you will earn a commission of $36 for each new Canva Pro subscribers that signs up with your unique referral link. So the payment method is also extremely simple and timely. You can get paid either through PayPal, and if the PayPal doesn't work in your country, you can ask for the e-transfer, which will come into your bank account. Email and live chat support is available round the clock for all the affiliates. And the cookies duration is 30 days, which means that if somebody clicks on your link and if they buy within a month, still you will earn a commission of $36. They offer for all the affiliates the different sources which can help you to promote their affiliate program, and that includes the how-to guides, the ad templates for the affiliates only, and the community tips and news. So if you are somebody who has a passion for the graphic designing, then this is ideal for you, because then you would know how to promote this graphic designing software. Also, if you are a blogger or a design influencer who has an active community, then you can also promote this Canva affiliate program. So if you're an educator, you can also teach people how this program works, and then you can share the affiliate link with your students and ask them to join or buy this Canva Pro. So this is one of the way to promote the affiliate program. So what is unique about the Canva is that it is simple to use and you don't feel like getting it up. It becomes addictive as you use it, and you feel like using the Canva throughout the time that you are available. So this is the real reason that you should ask your audience to join. And if you want to become an affiliate, I will give the link in the description. That link of course will be my affiliate link. In case you join the affiliate link, I would highly recommend that you first buy the Canva Pro, so that you know what are the differences between the free and the Pro versions, so that you can pursue your audience to buy the Canva Pro. So I am giving the link of Canva Pro in my description. Join that link, and from there you can search for the affiliate link also. In any case, if you are interested in other affiliate programs also, we have a complete list in which we are reviewing the different affiliate programs. So you can check out this, which is displayed the end screen card right now. And don't forget to like this video.